Introducing the Projector Remote Control 2198635, a versatile and cost-effective replacement designed for a wide array of Epson projectors. Whether you need to replace a lost or damaged remote, or simply want a reliable backup, this remote control is purposefully engineered to work out of the box, requiring minimal setup. It comes fully functional with ready-to-use features upon inserting 2 AA batteries, which are not included, allowing you to immediately resume your presentations or home cinema experience with confidence. One of the key highlights of this remote control is its wide compatibility. It fits a diverse range of Epson models such as the Epson 880, EX3280, VS260, EX5280, EX9230, Pro EX9240, EX7280, EX1000, and many more, including models under the BrightLink, POWERLITE, and Home Cinema series. This universal compatibility ensures that users with different projector models can benefit, making it a smart and flexible choice. Its precise engineering ensures robust IR transmission, which translates to a responsive and smooth operation even in busy environments or larger venues. In real-life scenarios, users have noted that the remote control provides a reliable and intuitive experience. The responsive buttons and clear feedback make navigating through projector functions a breeze, even during fast-paced presentations or movie nights. The fact that no additional programming is required is a major plus, especially for professionals and educators who value efficiency and simplicity. Moreover, the universal design allows it to replace many old remote models, saving both time and money. However, like any product, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Some users might find the omission of batteries slightly inconvenient, since they need to purchase them separately. Additionally, while the remote is broadly compatible, users with very niche or older Epson models should verify compatibility before purchasing. When compared to similar products in the market, the 2198635 stands out for its ease of use, comprehensive coverage of Epson models, and prompt service commitment. Competitors might offer specialized remotes for limited models or require complex programming, but this product's plug-and-play design and extensive compatibility make it a top contender. To get the most out of this remote control, users are advised to keep spare batteries on hand, regularly check the battery compartment, and ensure the remote's line of sight to the projector is unobstructed for optimal performance. Overall, the Projector Remote Control 2198635 emerges as a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly solution ideal for educators, business professionals, and home cinema enthusiasts alike. Its balanced blend of simplicity, universality, and affordability makes it a smart addition to any projector setup.